What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel once again, and hope you all are doing great. So, yeah, guys, it's been a while since I uploaded a video on YouTube, and I'm really sorry for that. And guess what, guys? It's been more than a month since I took my car out. So, today I'm planning to take my car, and the climate is super crazy. I'm not going for a drive and all. Like, I do have some personal work, so let's get started. It feels so good to be in the car, guys. Like, literally after a month. So, let me show you a dash of my car. This is a 10-year-old car and there's nothing fancy, guys. Like, it's just a basic chrome machine. Most of us, what we do is once we start the engine, we try to rev the engine very hard. Please, guys, don't do it because you are starting your engine after a long time. So try to keep it in idle rather than you pushing your vehicle up to its limit. Chalo, anyway, let me take the car out, and while going, I'll explain you where I'm going to and all. So yeah. I'm on my way to Banarghatta Road now. Like, I have some official work, so I'm going out there. And one thing, guys, like traffic out here, it's really pathetic. So even I'm carrying my mask, but since I'm in my car, like I'm not wearing my mask. That's the only reason. And don't take me wrong about that. Alright, guys, I reached my destination. The thing is, I'm waiting for my friend and he's making me to wait. So by the time he comes, it's a quick time. Well, yesterday was a boring day, and that's the reason why I didn't record anything. So we finished the work and we came back home. And the other side, most of my friends were asking me which gear I'm using, which jacket I'm using. So today I've decided to showcase what all gears I'm using. And disclaimer, guys, these gears are purchased by my hard-earned money, and no brands have been sponsored me for this video. When it comes to riding, the important gear is your helmet. So why helmet is because the most sensitive part of your body is your head. Even a small impact will lead to a major damage. Buy a certified helmet to protect your head. And I do own another helmet, and both the helmets are dog certified. Well, this is about the helmet, guys. So I'll be showing my other gears right from my toe tip till my shoulder. So yeah. Well, yeah, guys, like these are the boots which I'm using. So these boots are from the brand called Orezzo, and it comes with a steel toe, which means it has an ultimate protection. And for the price range, this is an ultimate shoe which you can blindly take it. And these are my knee guards, which come with a knee protector as well as a slider. But unfortunately, I didn't got a chance to use this slider, guys. Well, the other important gear is your jacket. So this jacket is from the brand called Viking Brotherhood, and the series is called Ladakh. These are my gloves from the brand called Five International. Well, I'll wear my helmet and will show you how I look with my complete attire. And one more thing, guys, when it comes to traveling, safety, of course, safety is a main concern. Apart from safety, communication is also required. Here's here's my intercom. So this intercom is from the brand called ASG, and the model name is SG5. So yeah, these are my riding gears, and let's start estimating the value of it. Well, the intercom costed me 10,000 rupees. Boots are 3,600 rupees, and my gloves are 6,000 rupees, and my knee guards, they costed me 3,000 rupees. Okay, sole helmet costed me 7,200 retail. Axor helmet costed 4,500 rupees, and finally my jacket, it costed 7,000 rupees. So basically, it costs somewhere around 30 to 35,000 rupees, and this is what I need to wear for my ride. So yeah, just like do invest on a good gears rather than going for a cheaper products. And yeah, guys, I'll be ending the video there. So stay home. stay safe.